This is the CMC Connect Volatility Report. Shares in Diageo, the brewer of Guinness, dropped on Tuesday in the wake of disappointing earnings news. The company took a big hit off the back of slowing sales in Latin America, whilst quick swings in consumer sentiment and high inventory levels also took a toll. The underlying sold off by as much as 4%, with one-day vol standing at 88.92%, well up from the one-month reading of 33.54%. Some big moves higher for European car manufacturers bolstered activity for CMC's proprietary basket of 11 companies covering the sector. Stellantis, the company behind marques including Fiat and Chrysler, saw its stock add more than 4%, with some peers moving higher too. One-day vol on the basket advanced to 53.53% against 29.78% for the month. RBOB Gasoline prices tipped briefly lower on Tuesday before recovering the bulk of the day's losses. Refined oil product prices are expected to tick higher given the situation in the Red Sea, so any downside here was perhaps going to be difficult to sustain. One-day volatility stood at 35.4%, up from the 33.58% seen on the month. And some better-than-expected economic news out of the Eurozone as the trading bloc skirted recession was enough to lend some limited support to the common currency. Elevated levels of price action were seen across the board, although it was Euro-Swiss that stood out, with one-day vol on the trade of 6.53% against 6.31% for the month.